Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Welcome back to another video about Polygon Matic. Guys, in this video I'm talking about the latest price of the Polygon. What's the price? What's the price changes open in the Polygon Matic? In this video I will show you guys, but before starting this video, I request all of you to please click the subscribe button for more news and updates, videos about cryptocurrencies market. So guys, now the latest price of the Polygon Matic in the market is 1.24 USD dollar. That is the currently live price of the Polygon in the market. And on the other side, if you look the changes over the Polygon Matic, so my friends, the last 1 week, the last 1 day, changes over the Polygon Matic is completely positive. Just only now the latest changes of the Polygon is going wrong the last 1 hour, except of the last 1 hour, the previous 1 day, the previous 1 week, the previous 2 or 3 days, these changes is positive, my friends. So guys, you know what, I'm feeling satisfied about Polygon Matic, that because absolutely a great falls occurred in the previous time. In the July month, the price of Polygon very barely falls down. That's why now I'm satisfied about Polygon. I believe that after the falls, the price will pump, and you can see this time the price falls down, and now it's a pumping time, guys. You can see this time price falls, and now it's time to take a jump. So that's why, guys, I'm satisfied about Polygon Matic, and I believe that they will continue this pump for a long time. That's why I'm telling you that please hold for a long time. I hope that will give you profit, not a loss. That is not a loss coin, my friends. They'll only give you a profitable coin in the market. Anyways, what you think about Polygon Matic, also share on the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates.